Hi, my name is Shina Pugh, and this is my assignment. Alright, I'm a physical education teacher, so the assignment that we're assigned looks slightly different with being in a gym. I don't have tables, I don't have desk or anything that I have to move around the classroom to change anything. I just have an open space. I have created a list of pros that I would like in the gym. So I would love to have lights that are dimmable or have different settings, because right now my lights in my current gym are all one setting and I have to have all fluorescent lights on, and I feel like that affects me, the kids, and it just starts adding up eventually. The floors, it would be amazing to have wood floors and to help the kids run, help my needs as I teach. Because right now I have tiles. It would be amazing to have bleachers so the kids can sit on, or the teachers can sit on when we have assemblies. It'd be amazing to have double court or triple court to allow the kids to be able to do different activities at the same time, because right now I have a single court gym, so even when we split the court in half, it's just not enough room for everyone to be able to move around, because I teach double classes. When you teach doubles, you have each a class about 25, and then if they're split classes, which we have split classes at least in any grade level we teach day, you have half of another class, and it's just all the kids start adding up, and you add equipment flying, you add jump ropes, you add anything you can imagine. It's just, there's never enough room. And then the pros are also having squares on the floor, which are amazing to help keep kids organized, help keep them understanding where they need to go every day, and they know exactly where to go. A lot of the cons, they're pretty much the same as before, but floors, I hate my floors. They're tile, they echo, the kids just hate them as well. Once again, the lights, on how they're not dimmable or can have different settings, and they just hurt everyone's eyes and give kids headaches. Another con is my office. It's right in between the gym area, so if I have my office door open, it interferes and kids run into it and hit it. I don't have any other area for kids to go to safe areas, so I had to create them on my own in the gym. And then once again, my size of my gym. So I created this photo and I found it off of Google, and this is what I love about this photo, is on how they have the colored squares. Colored squares are also great because you can say, hey, yellow squares, or hey, blue squares, I want you to go to get equipment first. Or I also have all color-coded gym equipment. So if I can say, hey, yellow squares, go get on the yellow equipment. In this photo, sorry, it's kind of blurry, but it's amazing on how there's just bleachers all around. And that would be really cool to be able to have, because parents could come watch, because we do after school programs. And it's really cool because these basketball hoops can come up and these come back, and then they have room. The thing that I really like that stuck out to me about this photo of this gym at the school is that there's a stage. When we have different guest speakers, or we have school picture day, or anything that affects anything from an outside person, they always use the gym. And then I can't teach classes there. And so, sorry, I need to move real quick. It's just, whenever we have outside resources, I have to go to different classrooms and teach in classrooms, because the gym is all taken, because we just have one court. So this is what I feel like in my gym. Like I have so many different things going on and it's just a small space that you can't really do anything with. There's no windows, there's just poor lighting, and it's just really hard to do anything in there. Another thing, luckily I'm thankful I don't have to do this, so I guess it's more pro for me that I don't have to do it, but a lot of gym teachers have to share their gyms with the cafeteria. So that means that they pull these tables out during lunchtime and then they have to hurry, push them back as quick as they can, mop the floor, sweep the floors, and get the gym cleaned as soon as possible after lunch. And then the thing that helps a kid's learning environment as much in my class as possible is I actually have these same exact mats in my gym, and I have them in the corners of, I think I had a volleyball one maybe. Sorry, it's been a minute since we've been back since COVID. And each kid can sit on these mats freely whenever they feel like they're not in control of themselves. They need space. They're having a rough day. Mom, dad is getting in a fight. And I just know as soon as they go to one of these mats that, hey, like this kid needs their space. Like I'll go check on them once they're kind of wound down and feeling themselves again. And I feel like this is on how I've created the most out of my space and on how I've made my environment differently, because being in the gym, kids with autism or any other learning disabilities, being in the gym is way overwhelming for them. And it's just hard to take everything in. And it's just so much is going on. And there's so many people in a crowded space, or they see the open space and they just want to run everywhere. And so that these are a great thing that we found and what works for us. And thanks for watching.